nga ba tayo mahawa ng parasites mula sa ating alagang aso at pusa? Paano tayo mahawa at ano ang maging epekto nito sa ating kalusugan?
Guys, just a reminder, this information is for awareness only. For medical advice, please consult your doctor.
Humans can get infested with cat or dog parasites through several ways, depending on the type of parasite. Here are the main ways parasites can be transmitted to humans. Intestinal worms like roundworms, hookworms, and tapeworms. Number 1, pwede itong maihawa kapag accidentally na-ingest natin ang itlog ng bulate mula sa contaminated surfaces, lupa, or litter boxes. Number 2, kapag naglakad na nakapaa sa kontaminadong lupa or buhangin, ang hookworm larvae can penetrate the human skin. Number 3, accidentally swallowing flea infected with tapeworm larvae, which is common in children. Fleas or pulgas. Maaari tayong ma-infect ng pulgas through direct contact with our infected pet or exposure to flea-infested area sa bahay. Ang flea bites can cause itchiness and allergies. Posible din ito magdulot ng sakit katulad ng endemic murine typhus. Ang symptoms nito ay sakit ng ulo, lagnat, joint or muscle pain at pagkahilo o pagsusuka. Kapag aksidenteng nalunok ang isang pulgas na may dalang tapeworm larvae, maaring mahawa ang tao at magkaroon ng tapeworm infection. How to reduce the risk of infection? Number 1, regularly deworm and treat your cats and dogs for parasites. Number 2, use flea and tick prevention for pets. Number 3, wash hands thoroughly after handling pets, cleaning litter boxes, or gardening. Number 4, keep your pets indoors to minimize parasite exposure. Number 5, avoid walking barefoot in areas where pets defecate. Number 6, wear gloves when cleaning litter boxes. And number 7, regularly clean and disinfect your home. Looking for an effective dewormer you can use at home? Use Puentaf and Bendazole tablets, which is a broad-spectrum dewormer that can kill intestinal parasites in different life stages. Kahit yung itlog at larvae, kaya nitong puksain ang iba't ibang klase ng bulate tulad ng roundworm, tapeworm, nematode, hookworm, whipworm, and trichinella. And Fipronil Spot-on solution to get rid and prevent ticks and fleas.